Now let's look at the properties of electromagnetic waves. In the last section, we found that light is an electromagnetic wave and that it travels at 3 × 10⁸ meters per second in a vacuum. The velocity of light is equal to its wavelength times its frequency, just like the velocity of any other wave. But this isn't the whole story of electromagnetic waves. Light is just a small segment of the electromagnetic spectrum, which consists of electromagnetic radiation that has smaller and larger frequencies than the visible light we're used to. Here's a diagram of the electromagnetic spectrum. Going from left to right, we see increasing wavelength and decreasing frequency. At the shortest wavelengths and highest frequencies here on the left, we see gamma rays. As the wavelengths lengthen and the frequency decreases, we move on to X-rays, then ultraviolet, and then for a very, very narrow range, what we know as the visible spectrum, starting at a short wavelength of blue and ending in a long wavelength of red. After red comes infrared, then microwaves, and radio waves. Radio waves taking up the remainder of the spectrum to very, very long wavelengths. So to summarize, this is the spectrum of all electromagnetic radiation. It's presented in increasing wavelength and decreasing frequency from left to right. Visible light is a very small component, and it has been highlighted and expanded so that you can see the individual colors.